guys, welcome back to another video. So I was editing the second episode or vlog number 2. I realized na hindi tayo nakapag-intro and outro. So here I am making an intro for this video. So in this video, we just wanted to show you guys a quick video of our first practice with the Storm Trauma ER bowling ball and also the Columbia 300 spare ball natin. Take note that we haven't had the chance to have the finger holes fixed yet with new inserts, and medyo I would say I'm not as satisfied with how I'm throwing the balls yet. But I wanted to get a good baseline of how the ball performs, or how I'm able to perform with the new bowling balls. So far, quick insight on the ball is I think it's perfect for my bowling style, which is not aggressively hooking the ball. It's just I'm not able to throw the ball well. Primarily because kung mapapansin nyo if you watch the video, I'm dropping the ball rather than really throwing it, and I don't think I'm able to give enough rotations so that the ball hooks well down the lane. So you'll notice that although I did get some good strike balls hitting the pocket, some strikes naman hitting the Brooklyn side, which is basically the other side of the pocket. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll give some more insights at the end. Let's go. Alright, so that's our very first practice with the Storm Trauma ER bowling ball and the Columbia 300. Some of the things that I really realized after this is we gotta get the balls fixed. I I won't play another game unless I have that fix. One, because nakakapaltos ako dito. In fact, I think I'll have bruising here on my thumb if I play again. Kaya I decided to get the balls fixed muna before I play another round of games, and it actually will give me a good comparison, no? After playing a series of games. So I played around 8 games, 4 games on the Saturday and another 4 games on Sunday. The scores naman, I didn't really look at the scores as much, although I did like the progression of my scoring. I think on my very first game, I hit 120 plus. I should write this down, sorry. I'll do a better job next time. But then that's on a Saturday. I think on the Saturday I ended with a 150. And then on Sunday, I did a little bit better. I hit around 150, 160. I think my highest was 167. I know that's low for those that play bowling, but I like my progression. So, yun naman lahat at improvement. Although, for me, what I was looking for is really looking at my form. Kung okay pa ba ako bumato ng bola. Second, kaya ko ba yung 14 pounds? And then third, what improvements should I make in the next practice game, diba? Ultimately, the goal of this, guys, is for me to try to pursue going to tournaments. Mag-enjoy talaga tayo and then challenge myself to be better. Also, I can see that I lack the flexibility I used to have kasi kung makita nyo, I'm not bending enough so that I can throw it really well, really smoothly, nababagsak ang bola. And then, for me, you know, there's a lot to improve, which I think we can do that. You know, practice plus exercises that I can do to improve my flexibility, and then my strength back, my stamina back. On the last game, on the last few games, medyo napapagod na ako, and the ball was really hooking. I can't, you know, add more speed on the ball because medyo nahihirapan na ako, and then medyo nalilito din ako sa lanes. At the same time, marami na rin naglalaro. It made it difficult for me to really focus on, you know, how to improve. So in the end, I was already using my spare ball, my Columbia 300, both as my first ball and second ball, like straight ball na tayo. And luckily enough, it gave me a chance to practice that I can throw the plastic ball, you know, when it's really hard to read the lanes and just go for a straight ball. So yun lang. On the next video, we will be fixing the finger holes, and we picked the color of the inserts for the thumb and the 2 fingers. So yun, exciting yun. By the way, the balls, my daughter gave them names. So the red ball is going to be Mars. And then the Columbia 300, the pearl white one, is going to be Mercury. So yun, so that's a theme we're going. I guess in the other balls that we get, my daughter will name them as planets. So let's see. So again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.